ZBCN is currently forming really interesting trading setup, and in this video I will show you how exactly you can take advantage of this. So if you are interested about my exact entry, stop loss and take profit targets, and also if you are interested about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit in the future, then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. Here you can see we are currently about to retest this bullish order block, but more importantly, we are about to retest again this important support area, which you can see here. It was like super important resistance. Right now this is an important support. So me personally, I am actually waiting here for a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows, and if the market will do something like this, so liquidity grab, fake out, and then a support confirmation in this area, this will be, in my opinion, really perfect long entry. Stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, so the stop loss will be probably around 4 to 5% of a net market. And last take profit targets, well, you can place it at least under this previous important high, but in my opinion we can speculate here for even higher returns. So me personally, if I will be opening this long position, I will be speculating to like this previous important highs. So this trade can give you potential profit up to 55% of a net market, risk reward ratio around 12, and stop loss around 4.5%. Definitely in this video I will show you on liquidation heat map the important liquidity that you need to be watching here. So we will take a look on the exact important levels, and also it's important to say that risk reward ratio 12.12, this is not going to be your final risk reward ratio, because in a trade like this you simply need to take multiple take profit targets. All details about this setup I will of course reveal in this video. But if you, for example, want to know about all the coins that I'm currently watching, don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. It's completely free. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So let's first of all take a look on the exact take profit targets that you should take. As I said, stop loss you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and also the closest area of important liquidity is this area between level 0.00229 and 0.00226. This is for us not that important, because then the risk reward ratio, of course, like this is not gonna be that good. So your first take profit target should be around this previous important liquidity area, so between level 0.02348 and 0.00232. So your first take profit targets will be probably in a profit like 4% of a net market, so it will be probably around risk reward ratio 1. Next profits you should definitely take under this previous like important highs, then definitely something under this bearish order block, then some profits you can save under this previous important high, for example, then you can take something around this area of increased liquidity, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 12.1, the risk reward ratio is going to be around like 8 something like that, which is like, in my opinion, still really good potential trading setup. Of course we also need to manage our position properly, so after you will take like first take profit target, move your stop loss to break even or to like a small profit, so there is like no point of you turning that profitable position into a loss. This doesn't mean that you need to place your stop loss on entry, it still will be like under entry price, but because we will take some of the profits, of course the stop loss can be, for example, on the level 0.0222, and then there will be still like a small profit because we already took one. You definitely understand what I'm saying. So let's now summarize this setup before we will dive to that long-term price prediction. On the 4-hour or like a 12-hour chart, we are simply having here this important support. We are having here this previous important highs, this previous important lows. To enter here a long position, you want to see here a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows, then pull back up without resistance confirmation, which means like 2 4-hour candles can't close under this area. If this will happen, we are probably going on like a lower level, so this setup will be invalidated. If there will be a liquidity grab with a support confirmation, you can take here a long position, because the potential risk reward ratio on the long side is really great. You need to take multiple take profit targets that I showed you in today's video. Your main target probably will be this bearish order block, so like to this bearish order block take around like 60-50% of the entire profit, and then rest you can keep to like a higher levels. And in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 12.1, the risk reward ratio will be probably around 7-8 something like that, which is in my opinion really great potential profit. And if you, for example, have any questions about this setup, definitely DM me on my Discord. As I said, link to join is in the description or in the comments. Another important chart that you need to watch is a daily time frame, because here we are actually having an opportunity for a limit long order. Because if we are going to take liquidity under all of these previous important lows, and there will be like a bigger dump, which means probably a resistance confirmation on a 4-hour chart, then you can actually take here a limit long position on a daily time frame. Stop loss you need to of course place like under all of these previous important lows, so your stop loss will be probably around 12.5% of a net market. Last take profit target at least above this bearish order block. So this trade is giving you potential profit around like 70% of a net market, potential stop loss around 12.5% of a net market, with risk reward ratio of 5.58. The reason why this is not my main setup that I am currently watching here is worse risk reward ratio, because if you will take like multiple take profit targets with a trade that is having risk reward ratio for 5.558, the trade will have risk reward ratio like 3.8 something like that, which is like not bad, but in my opinion that setup that I talked about on a 4-hour chart is actually having better probability that that trade will be successful, and also there is better risk reward ratio. But if you want to trade here something on a daily time frame, this is definitely a setup that you should check. And let's now take a look to some long-term price prediction on a weekly time frame. Here you can see we are forming this lower high. So this high was lower than this one, again this high lower than this one, this high lower than this one. So to, let's say, open here some long-term long position, you actually want to see your breakout and then a support confirmation of this previous important high. So if we are gonna break this bearish order block, there will be like a support confirmation. Then I am expecting we will go on a higher level. So from the current level, there needs to be a pump around like 57-60% of a net market. So this is actually our main take profit target that we are watching on the daily time frame, because there is no point of you like speculating for like hundreds of percent if we are still under very important resistance. So on a daily time frame, we will take all important profits here, and then if there will be breakout with a support confirmation on daily and weekly time frame, we can definitely enter a new long position. If this happens, then I think next stop is like the current high, so high between level 0.0609 and 0.0718. So after breakout and then a support confirmation, there could be another profit around like 60 to like 100% of a net market, something like that. And I think that if the altitude will continue, we can hit something around $0.01 mark this year, something like that, which is like from a current level potential move around like 320% of a net market. So there is like really great potential upside. But again, whole market needs to pump. There is no way that like only this coin will go on a higher levels. If Bitcoin will stay on a current levels, or for example it will go even lower, then this coin will be probably doing the exact same thing. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you want to know all of the coins that I'm watching, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.